Hello everyone, I'm Adela from Creality. I know that you guys must be really excited about the Creality CR-6 SE, right? So here I am going to share some information about the Creality CR-6 SE production and shipment. On July 14th, we already finished the first batch of the Creality CR-6 SE shipment. In recent days, our factory is really busy with the CR-6 SE production. Now we can achieve a daily output of 200 to 300 pieces of CR-6 SE, and now we are still speeding up. Next, I'm going to clarify how we arrange the shipments. Basically, there are two principles. The first one is about the top countries with most backers. So we sorted out all the orders according to the countries. The second one is about the time that we receive your pledge box survey. So at first, we are going to ship the packages to the backers from the US. If you guys want to know more information about the top country list, you can check the community part on our CR-6 SE Kickstarter page first. Every time when we finish a new batch of the CR-6 SE shipment, we will update the information on our official website and the Facebook page. Normally, the average shipping time is from 1 month to 45 days. From China to the overseas countries, the packages are shipped by sea. When packages arriving in overseas countries, we will assign some local express companies to finish the final delivery. It may take some patience for you guys to wait for the CR-6 SE, but anyway, we are still accelerating all the process of the production and shipment. So if you have any other questions, you can leave us a comment on the Kickstarter page of the CR-6 SE, and you can also contact us via the email, themarketing@creality.com. Thank you very much.